According to Hindu mythology, Shravan Month is considered as the most auspicious time of the year. During this blissful month, devotees dedicate their time in worshipping Lord Shiva. Many Vedic rituals are performed to please Lord Shiva. One such ritual is offering milk to the Shivling. But have you ever thought what is the reason behind this ritual? Let's find out in this video. Hey there, welcome to our YouTube channel Think About That. In today's video, we will explore the scientific as well as the spiritual reasons associated with the ritual of offering milk to Shivlingam during this Shravan month. So let's dive in. According to Ayurveda, every person has three vital components in their body known as Tridosh, Vata, Pitta and Kapha. All these three elements are necessary for smooth functioning of our body. However, when there is any imbalance of these components in our body, then we suffer under various ailments. But during Shravan month, the Vata component of our body gets higher in proportion naturally. So during this period, we must avoid foods that increase Vata component. As the Ayurveda suggests, dairy products should not be consumed during monsoon season. Even you must have heard to avoid consumption of green leafy vegetables or non-veg or dairy products, even milk, during monsoon to avoid ailments which are caused due to excess vata. But cattle do not have such choice. They have to eat green leaves and grasses. So during rainy season, cows eat lot of green grass and hence their milk has high vata component, thus making it unfit for human consumption. Okay, but still the question remains unanswered, that why do we offer it to Lord Shiva? So here's the right answer. Lord Shiva is known to consume poison named halahal which came out during the Samudra Manthan. Lord Shiva consumed the poison and secured it in his neck to save the universe from a disaster. Since then, milk is offered on Shivling, as during Shravan month, milk is considered similar to poison. Another scientific reason associated with this ritual is most of the Shivlings that we worship are made of stone or clay. So if you don't feed it with some kind of fat or oily material like milk or ghee, it will crack up over a period of time. And once you are worshipping something, you don't want it to crack, right? So to avoid that, periodically we have to offer something like milk or ghee on Shivling. Something through which the stone Shivling can absorb fatty materials and its integrity is maintained. So offering milk, honey, curd or ghee is a certain maintenance that keeps the Shivling intact. These were some of the scientific reasons, but offering milk to Shivling also has certain spiritual importance. From a spiritual point of view, milk is viewed as an excellent conductor of positive energy. Offering milk on Shivling along with reciting mantras strengthens mind and body. According to religious beliefs, worshipping Shivling burns away karmas that have accumulated over many births and provides clarity in thought process of the devotee. It also enhances the power of grasping, retention, memory and intelligence. So, this was the importance of this ritual from a spiritual point of view. That's all for today. I have tried to present all the facts to prove the reason behind this ritual and its importance. Although, if you need to know more about the same, I have linked some articles related to the topic in the description. You can check them out. Other than that, feel free to give any suggestions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more such videos.